All right, let's catch everybody up on speed here on this garage build. Well, we brought a lot of dirt up here to try to extend this driveway out. And as you can see the Bobcat down there, that's let me see if I can bring the focus in here a little bit. Come on, you daggone thing. Yeah. Anyway, that's too much. Anyway, that's father-in-law down there running my brother's Bobcat because he can do it so much faster than I can. Plus, you know, he's retired and he can do it whenever. And my brother is good with him running this machine. So he's bringing more dirt out now to build up this side down here as we kind of cut the pad a little short. And he's going to build up a few holes here and there. And you can see him doing his thing here. We ended up a bunch of the topsoil we hauled off in the back here. My brother did that. We're ended up having to bring that back out here and use it to get this pad. Again, this is going to be a 32 by 40. And we're actually at the 32 foot mark. It's about right here where it is. About right here where the grass is. Right in here. Right here where these footprints are at. So anyway, this video is kind of sporadic, jumping around. As I played on the Bobcat a good bit, I mean a lot of this pad I dug out myself with that Bobcat. My brother just left it here for a couple weeks and told me to play. So I kind of got some of the base going by just playing around. And of course we had a lot of rain and it was so daggone muddy. I just kept moving dirt around to try to dry things out. And so there ain't a whole lot of video, a lot of time lapse. And probably gonna be a two-part series. I'm probably gonna put one out here soon. There you can see where we extended the driveway. I know I'm kind of all over the place here with the way I'm talking, but anyway, the idea is to have a garage door. There's gonna be two 12 by 12 garage doors, and kind of have them right here. There's gonna be an entry door on this side. If I think about it, I'll put the SketchUp up that they did, the people that's putting the building up. And there'll be a 12 by 12 door here, a 12 by 12 door here. Plan is to tap off this well up here so I can put toilet and stuff in there and a sink, only because you can see it's detached. This is an older home, so I have one bathroom in there, and there's really only the kitchen sink and the bathroom sink. So trying to alleviate having to run through the house being all greasy dirty if you have to do a number two. So but anyway, it's coming together pretty good. It looked a lot worse than this yesterday. And thanks to my brother and my father-in-law here, really helping me out a lot. So as you can see, he's building that up. We got to have this machine back to my brother by Friday, and today is Tuesday. So I appreciate the crap out of him helping me out here, letting me use the machine, which it also helped him out because he got a business on the side. He's very busy. He was going to come up here Thursday and do this for me, but worked out. He was cool with him running this machine. So we're making the best of it, and probably here talking to the people that's going to build the building, they said probably within the next couple weeks they'll have the materials here. I guess then they'll put a schedule on there to have it up. I'd say probably in the next month or so, the building will probably be getting built. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a time lapse and let him do his thing here for a little while. And that way you can't hear me talking, because I certainly did not put anything together as far as like any kind of, you know, knocking around, just winging everything here, really. So, alrighty. Put it on time lapse and let him do his thing for a little while. Alrighty, so a little update. Looks like we got the ground in pretty good shape. The unfortunate part is we did not plan on having this big old bank here, but it is what it is. There's plenty of room to put the whole building up, and they're supposed to be here in a few weeks to deliver material and get this thing up and get the ball rolling, and hopefully here in a couple months here I'll have it all together and all that. But I'm going to try to just go ahead and end the segment here instead of having such a long video. I got a lot of time lapse. I did not do any of me running that Bobcat, and fortunately with good help and good people, my brother owns that Bobcat, as I mentioned earlier. He good enough to let us use it, and you know how family is. He very good to me. I put the fuel in it, giving him fuel, and that's my other half's father, which, you know, I might as well call him my father-in-law. We get along great. He's been running this machine today, and he does a great job, as you can see. And probably going to end it right here for now. Like I said, we got to take off that pole over there and get it. He says it looks beautiful. He loves running that machine. He's got his own skid steer. It's a Mustang, which I think is an off-brand of Yanmar, however you say it. But anyway, back to what I was saying is got to upgrade the electric, which that'll be through the electric company, and then we're going to run, you know, boost up the amp or the service to probably a 400, and run 2 to the house and 2 to the garage. As of right now, it's only a 60 amp service, believe it or not. Old house. But anyway, I believe that's about it. You know, we got to tap in and do the my wells right here. They're kind of looking at right here. Going to tap into that, so I have some, you know, water for a toilet and sink. I think I mentioned earlier about, you know, only got one bathroom in that house. So don't want to be out here messing around the garage and you have to use the restroom and have to run through the house. So anyway, I will keep you updated, and probably the next footage you see after this video, I think I'll go ahead and try to put this together, and then I'll make a part 2 and maybe even a 3. I'm going to try to be here when they put the building up. Not exactly sure that's going to work out, but definitely whenever we get into doing some of the other stuff. Alrighty, thanks for watching.